Hey, hon. Have a good day at work? I had a rough one. Johnson's been riding me hard. Hold on. So, like I was saying, we're doing this whole new thing with the cover
Ted?
reports. Like, if you already know what's in all these cover reports, then why do you have to have all this?
Ted. The Arby's down the street closed yesterday. It was just on the news.
Good one, hon. I just got a deep fried turkey clip from there just the other day. Don't look at me like that. Don't you look at me like that. Arby's isn't really closed, is it?
I'm sorry, Ted.
No, I can't believe you just said that.
Ted, please calm down. Their food isn't even that good.
What? What did you just say?
It's all greasy and soggy, and it's like they microwave leftovers and sell it as fresh.
What am I supposed to eat at work for our picnics? What other place does potato cakes and gyros like they do?
You pass like 5 other places between here and work. There's even a Carl's Jr. They're practically the same thing.
Carl's Jr. doesn't sell potato cakes, Jig.
I don't even like Arby's at all, Ted.
You always told me how much you liked their curly fries, their milkshakes, hell, even their potato cakes. Was that all a lie?
I liked them before you started bringing them home 4 times a week. Before you started inviting me on picnics and only bringing Arby's. I've had so many loaded Italian subs this month that my doctor is worried about me, Ted. No human should have that much fast food. I told my mother how often you bring me home curly fries, and she started crying. I had to listen to my own mother cry on the phone.
You told me they were your favorite.
I lied. I had to lie. I ordered them once, and then you just wouldn't stop bringing them home. I was trying to protect your feelings.
So, it's been a lie? All of it? Everything? Were you ever even really pregnant? Was that just another lie?
Ted, Look, we could eat at other places. We could start buying groceries. It's not normal for someone to eat so much fast food. You're a medical anomaly. Like, you need to stop trying to challenge God. Look, I'm sorry. Let's make a deal. Okay, maybe Arby's once a week? I didn't mean everything I said. I do like their Gouda bacon cheeseburger.
Wendy's.
What?
That's Wendy's. Arby's doesn't have a Gouda bacon cheeseburger.
Oh, sorry, you're right. I'm sorry, I forgot.
Arby's doesn't have to resort to pathetic gimmicks like exotic cheese. They smoke their classic brisket for 13 hours with real smoke from real wood, and their corned beef is always brined to be fork tender.
Please, what are you doing with that suitcase?
I'm leaving.
Okay, no, please, Ted, let's just talk about this. This doesn't make any sense.
Nothing makes sense anymore, Jig. I don't want to live a life where I can't have their smokehouse brisket, their savory, fresh meats and spices. Their sliders, Jig. They're so small but so packed with flavor. They're only like this big.
Look, you're right. They're so small. Please, let's just talk about this.
Do you have any idea how much time, effort, blood, sweat, and tears goes into making a burger so small but so tasty?
I could make you sliders.
What?
I'll make you as many sliders as you want.
No respect for the masters. You wound me. Nothing you could make could be as mouth-watering as anything Arby's has ever given me. Goodbye, Jig.
Where are you going?
Honestly, I'm thinking Arby's.
Des yeux qui font baisser les miennes, en ride qui serpent sur sable. Voilà les portraits s'arrêter de l'homme auquel j'appartiens. Quand il me prend dans ses bras, il me parle de tout bas. Je vois des mots dans tous les jours et ça me fait quelque chose. Il est entré dans mon corps une époque de bonheur. Je connais la cause.